How to make your commute more enjoyable. Commuting to work isn't easy. It can often be boring, stressful, or just plain frustrating. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the average commute is 26.6 minutes each way. That means that it's common to spend around an hour or even more every day in the car or on public transit. Research suggests that people with long commuting times tend to report lower levels of well-being and lower satisfaction with their work.
Commuting to work is something that most of us have to do just about every day. But commuting doesn't have to be a drag. If you have a long trip to and from work, try to see it as me time and find ways to make it feel uplifting to you.
A better commute to work can set you on the right track for the workday. And a relaxing commute home can provide an opportunity to disconnect from work and transition into a different part of your day.
Here are a few ways to make your commute to and from work more enjoyable. Plan for the day ahead.
Your commute gives you time to think through your goals for the day and how you can achieve them. Research suggests that reflecting on goals during your commute is linked to greater satisfaction with your work. Listen to an audiobook or podcast.
Having something to listen to on your drive or ride will make this everyday activity less mundane.
Try an audiobook of that bestseller you want to read, or pop on a podcast to hear one of your favorite comedians chat with their friends. Whatever genre you like, there's an audiobook or podcast for you. Or put together a playlist of your favorite songs that pump you up for the day, or relax you after a long day. Use the time to connect with others. Phone a friend or family member, or share small talk with someone on public transit. Research published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology suggests that talking to strangers on public transportation improves the experience of commuting. If you commute by car, try calling friends or family on speakerphone to boost your mood and lower your stress. Using these strategies can make you happier, more satisfied, and make your commute fly by.